Turn your accent into a great success. My name is Jane Latz, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions. First, I want to share some of the great positives of having an accent, foreign or regional. Number one, it's cool to be different. It's cool to be exotic. You'll stand out. You might stand out in your thinking as well as in your communication. So embrace the coolness, embrace the diversity, embrace being exotic. Number two, it can be a great conversation starter. How often have you heard, "Where are you from?" Now, I know many of you hate being asked where you're from because you tell me when you call that you're tired of being asked where you're from. But it's a great conversation starter. In business, there's a lot of networking. Right now, it could be virtual, but it's still networking. We all go into high stake meetings, and sometimes we're sitting and waiting for the meeting to begin. Yes, we can always talk about the weather. We can always talk about a recent ball game. But if someone hears an accent that's different than the norm, a very easy conversation starter is, "Where are you from?" Again, think of it. They're not saying, "Oh my God, you have a terrible accent." They're just making conversation. So embrace, again, the diversity and the exoticness and answer the question. Be proud of it. The third benefit to having an accent is to connect with others with a similar background. You may be living in the United States, away from your family and from those who speak your language. But all of a sudden, because of that accent, someone connects with you. I just spoke with someone yesterday who was moved because of business from the East Coast to Oklahoma, and they have a strong accent. Won't it be nice when they meet someone with a similar background while living in that area in Oklahoma? So again, having an accent helps you connect to others. But how do we turn your accent into a success? And why do so many people need what we call accent reduction or accent modification? The reason why individuals need accent reduction training is when they are unclear. They may speak rapidly, they may get nervous and mumble. And besides having sounds that are not the same as standard American English, they speak quickly and their words blend together. I have been on many a call where I have asked someone to repeat what they just said, but after a while, I do have to guess, and I don't ask them so many times. This is with prospects. Obviously, in training, I'll ask because it's important. We need to know what we're not hearing. So if that's you, you could be missing out on building your business or moving up the corporate ladder. Our goal is to build your clarity and your confidence. Our goal is that you are always clear and articulate. Right now, a lot of business is being conducted on the virtual platform. Our goal is that you are heard and you are engaging in those meetings on the virtual platform. So how do we turn your accent into success? Easily. With accent reduction training, you will learn very specific techniques to build your clarity and your confidence when speaking in person, on the telephone, or virtually. To highlight those reasons again, it can be exotic. You'll be different. You'll stand out. It can be a conversation starter. How great to help others easily make small talk with you. It will help you to connect with others. 3 great pluses to having an accent. But now let's take that accent and build your success. For more information, please reach out by telephone. Pick up the phone today, by telephone or email. And just remember that at Corporate Speech Solutions, we help you say it better. Wishing you great success. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on any great content.